Hi guys, welcome to AdSense Pro. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can boost your sales using an app which will help you recover the abandoned carts and the abandoned checkouts. And it's really useful when you want to view the live cart recovery options and the live cart insights which products are being added. And this app is really useful for the B2B stores where the products are behind the paywall, so a really useful app. Make sure to watch the complete video if you want to have the similar functionality to boost your store sales. The app which I'm talking about is Cart Whisperer Live Carts Pro. And as you can see, the functionalities here, Live Cart Insights, it's going to generate unique cart ID for every cart ID session by the user. It's going to give you the exit intent pop-ups. You can get live support, live activity feed, and I'm going to demo all of these features with you guys in this video. And here's the comprehensive cart view. When someone adds product to the cart, you can see all details here: product added to the cart, page viewed, product viewed. I'm going to show you all of that within the app dashboard as well. And here we have live visitor insights. You can see live activity feed of all the visitors coming up to your store, adding product to the cart, or if they have reached to the checkout or not. All of the details. Very useful app for all of the B2B stores. Make sure to check that out. Link in the description. And this is the type of the widget. When someone add product to the cart, it's going to show that kind of widget, which also I'm going to show you guys in the live store. Right. And let's take a look at the pricing of this app. We have free option for the development store, so you can test it out on the development store. If you think that it's going to add value to your store, you can go to the paid tier. Right now, let's move on to the app. I've already installed the app on my store, right, on the development store, and that's how the dashboard looks like. Now first, let's take a look at the live activity feed. So if I go to live activity, it's going to show me the visitors adding product to the cart and all of the activity on this feed here. So if I go to my site and let's suppose I add this product to the cart, and now here I am in the cart. And now when I go back to live activity feed, it's going to update it automatically and show me the visitor. Okay, here you can see that all of the data is showing up. I added this product 3 minutes ago, and now I have just added this product 40 seconds ago. You can see this is the product which I added to the cart, and I can directly create a draft order from this screen here. So if I click on this here, I can directly create a draft order. Just gonna click on this convert to draft order, and it's going to create a draft order for me. Now let's check out the draft order which is created. Now here's the draft order. You can see that it created the draft order for me. Now the widget which it's going to show up when you add product to the cart is this here, right? And it's also, you can also check that out on this live website here, which is kitchway.co.uk. That's the website which is already using that app. Now if I add any product to the cart, so let's suppose if I go to cutlery, and if I add any of the cutlery to my cart, so they have a lot of products, right? Let's add this product to the basket, and should show up below the cart. Here we go. You can see that it generated the basket ID, cart ID. That's the cart ID, and here we have. Now customer can directly get in touch from them and submit the request through this form here. And if I click on this button, I can fill this up and it will directly go to the store owner, or we have more option to add in for the emails. So if I go to the settings, here you can see that we can add in the custom email, and we can also edit the template as well. So if I click on edit template, you can see that's the email which will be received via customer when someone add in the support request, and also the store owner will also be notified. And we can also choose a different email where the notification should be sent instead of the default store email. So if you have multiple emails which you want to notify when a customer added a query, you can add it here, right? Okay, now take a look at the exit intent pop-up. So let's check it out, this live website here where this app is already installed. And we're gonna add product again to the cart. And now we will go to our cart, click on view basket, which is the cart. Now here's the widget which is showing up. Now let me show you how the exit intent pop-up will show up. Now my cursor is within the cart. Now when I move out my cursor off the cart, take out my cursor, it's going to show me this pop-up here. And all of this pop-up is customizable. You can change the text here, you can change the button text, and you can customize this pop-up. And how you can customize that, so if I go to my app settings, here you have the option of modify cart widget, where you will also see the exit intent pop-up settings. So I'm going to open that up. When you click that, it will open that in a new tab. And let's go to our cart. So here's our cart, and here's our cart widget. And here we have different options: modern widget, simple widget, modern widget with form. And these are the CSS selectors for different themes. So it's supportable by almost all of the themes. It's going to show up on all of the themes, this widget. But if in some cases it's not showing up, you'll have to add in custom CSS, but you don't have to worry about it. You can contact the app developer to fix that for you, right? And here we have the option of widget placement. We can add it above as well or under. So if I click on above, it's gonna move that to above my cart estimated total, right? We have this widget alignment option, and here we have the option to customize or change the text here. So we can change it to anything here. Request code now. Let's adding the test to see if it changes. So you can see that it added this now additional text which I added. So all of this text is customizable, right, for this widget. And you can also change the exit intent pop-up settings here. So currently it's disabled on this store. I'm going to enable that. And I'm going to enable this option as well, which is basically telling it if customer moves to the close tab, it's going to open the exit intent pop-up, which is in the app settings. And here is the text, which you can also again customize based on your own needs. Now, if I check it out, the exit intent pop-up. So that's my cart. I'm going to hit refresh. Okay, my cart is loaded. Now, when I scroll my mouse out of the cart, you can see that this pop-up is showing up, right? And customer can simply request a quote now if they have more questions. They click on that, and I'm going to add in the detail here. Need more information, submit quote. And now when I go to my app dashboard, it's going to show that someone is requesting more information. Go to dashboard, and here you can see that it sent me this notification that support is requested. Now let's click on view cart. It also going to send an email notification. So let me check my inbox if I have the email received. And here you go. We have this email received here where it says my name and all of the details. Cool, right? Okay, one more thing I would like to show you guys is that it's also going to show the customer details. If you are on a B2B stores and customer is logged in, it's going to show the details here. So you can see this here. So if I click on this cart ID, where it's going to show the location and customer email and the product they added to the cart, all of the details showing up. And it's going to update everything live. So if I try to add some more product to my cart, so I'm going to go to my cart and add some more product. So let's add more product to the cart and go back to the app, click on live activity feed, and that's my session. Go to that. You can see that it's showing up that I viewed the cart again. I added one more product 13 seconds ago. I viewed the cart again. And if I go to now the checkout, so let's go to the checkout, it will update that on the live feed. There we go. You can see that it's showing up. Checkout is started. Cool, right? So all of the info which you can get from this app really helpful if you want to boost your B2B store sales. You can also use it on the normal stores. And here we also have analytics where you can see all of the detailed analytics, that how many cart values got added, how many cart count you got, and what was the average cart order value, location of the customer, etc., etc. So all of that info, really useful app. Make sure to try that out. Link in the description. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question about the app. We'd love to address that for you. Until next video, have a great day.